Ти си. Дай ма, да я фърля. Не му я фърля. Се активира. Много е сенситив.
Фърля долу.
Мята е долу направо към той. Към...
Да, край.
Хит.
Welcome and hello there guys. Today I'm playing with my S623 which has a camera and a holo on it made into an SMG with my candies and my Raven Nuprol 1911 and we are in Overpass, Dobrich, Bulgaria. Before we begin, I want to point out that 70% of you watching my videos are not subscribed. If you don't mind, click that subscribe button and do me a solid. And also, you get to see more of my action content.
Тови!
And here the start is given, and this time around I was not the fastest guy. Anyway, today's objective is to rescue Santa from his deers. These guys went rogue and planted a bomb, and the only one who knows the code is Santa. Transitions like this, I kinda like them and I will be trying to add them as much as I can. Please let me know in the comments down below if you like them as well. And now here's the first round. We had to extract Santa and defuse the bomb. Once the enemy caught wind of what we were doing, started to attack the building so we can't extract Santa, but I did what I do best.
Намерихте.
And we had to extract Santa at this point.
Давай. Води.
Давай. Горе да. Малко по-назад. Ичка, дръж дядо коля.
Да. Стой.
As we were extracting,
Мое 12. Двама.
we had
Стига.
contact.
Чети. Не стига, давай. Или знаеш? А можеш да ни кажеш? А сега можеш да ни кажеш? Чегувам се, разбираш?
I mean, I tried to extract information, but at the end of the day, we found where the bomb is located and just extracted Santa to there.
Сигурен съм в това.
I cleared the last enemy here. I didn't know about it, and then I got... Well, you'll see.
Взех един. Един зет.
I'm the Candyman.
Just
let that sink in.
Не му
I'm
фърля.
so good at my job that even I
Мята е долу направо към той. Към...
Да, край.
Yeah, well, we ultimately won this round, but yeah, that was unfortunate. And here, start of the second round is given. We need to protect Santa and not let the enemy team extract him and defuse the bomb.
О, ти благодаря. Не го зна.
Hello there. Not gonna lie, this bottle kinda scared us.
Най-вътре вляло, значи. Паци! Прикривай ме. Тук най-вътре вляло, нали? Да, чакай. Секунда.
And here, a prime example of my small form factor. My teammates suppress the guy at the end of the corridor and I just use my small form factor to walk to that door and deploy a candy. We were not sure if we got him or not, but apparently as the explosion went, he did shout hit and we did not hear him because of the noise. But then again, I did not credit that elimination to myself.
Дядо Коледа е тук. Трябва да го гръмна ли първо?
I did this because otherwise if you don't have contact with Santa, he can knife us.
Докато си гледам с тебе, стой тук.
And now,
again,
prime example of me being the Candyman. I thought that one will get in and get him, but ultimately the job had to be done by the Candyman.
Прикривай.
That one fell short, I know, but this is more than 5 meters. And now, I just love it how some of my candies don't explode on first contact.
Внимательно.
And at this point, I just needed to defend the building, and I was out of range, and my teammate just passed his replica to me. By the way, this replica is great. I hope one day I get myself one.
Да.
And here, he didn't shout hit, that's why I overshoot him, because I always require a confirmation to hit, right? And this was a prime example, people not getting the tactical advantage and crying about it. That was the end of the game, and as always, thank you guys so very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you guys in the next season. I will probably actually see you in my highlights video for 2022. But until then, stay safe, stay frosty, and happy holidays.